Hi there, my name is Kit Ma and I'll be sharing with you a very easy to do and simple exercise regime. And this is very suitable especially if you're someone who is totally new to fitness and to exercising. And the best part is, you can do it anywhere, anytime, without requiring you to go to the gym. This would be the program for 7 days. Day 1, focus on lower body. Day 2, cardio. Day 3, upper body routine. Day 4, cardio. Day 5, back to your lower body routine. Day 6, cardio. And lastly, day 7, rest day. This is what you need to do exactly. This is the day 1 lower body warm-up routine. Firstly, you want to start with the hip opener. Just stand straight and raise one knee at a time and then move it to the side. Just like that. So this would actually open up the hips. This also will actually warm up the thighs. The second exercise that you want to do is the dynamic lunges. Lunge a step forward, touch the ground and twist. Then you move with the other leg, lunge forward, touch the ground and twist. Now the third exercise, standing to crawl. So you stand up straight and then you crawl all the way forward into the plank position and you go back into the standing position. And during this entire movement, make sure you tense your core and you keep your spine straight. This exercise will actually warm up your lower back muscles. First exercise is a body weight squat. Stand and you want to go all the way down as you comfortably can. You're going to do this for 4 rounds of 12 repetitions with 30 seconds to 1 minute rest in between. Now the correct position here is to make sure that your upper body is as straight as possible. Second exercise, the lunges. 1 leg squat at a time. Take a lunge forward with your right leg and stand up. You're gonna aim to do about 12 to 15 repetitions per leg. Do about 4 sets. After you have done with the right leg, move right away to the left leg. And when you have completed the right and the left, rest for 1 minute or 30 seconds if you can between the exercises. Final exercise, jumping jacks. Just do it 20 repetitions and do it for 4 sets. Similarly, this is going to be done with 30 seconds to 1 minute rest in between. And just do it at a pace that you comfortably can. What we're going to focus on right now is the upper body day. Now to do the warm-up for the upper body, I want you to actually learn how to swing your hands. So this is to mobilize your shoulder joints. So just swing your arms like this. Make circles with your arms. Now swing the other direction. You can bend your elbows if you want to, or you can straighten it as well. Just want to swing to loosen up those shoulder joints. And then the next thing you want to do is a dynamic stretch as well. Twist to the left and to the right with your hands stretched outright. So move to the left, move to the right with your hands stretched outside. And last exercise for the warm up, twist and touch. This is the beginner's push-up. Start with your knees on the ground and you want to go all the way down and all the way up. Your hands fully extend as you go on top. You'll be doing about 10 to 15 reps if possible. Go down, touch the ground and then fully extend all the way up. Make sure you tense your core and do not collapse your midsection, okay? Second exercise, towel roll. Lie down on the ground, grab a piece of towel, hold it tight and try to split the towel apart, and then you want to pull the towel towards you, okay? Just like envisioning yourself doing a pull-up. Aim for 12 to 15 reps, alright? Final exercise, lateral raise. Aim to do 12 to 15 reps. Now you can use a 1 liter water bottle, or else you can also use any weight at all, even a dumbbell, depending on how heavy you want to go, alright? It goes as high as you comfortably can, and you do not want to go all the way down, you want to keep it somewhere in between. Resting 30 seconds to 1 minute at the most for each set. So cardio, this is what you need to do. Start by doing walking, and on average, if you're doing it 30 minutes fast walking, you should be able to hit 20,000 steps. In this whole regime, you have 2 lower body, 1 upper body, and the rest is just cardio day as well as 1 rest day on the final day. Yeah, that's it.